I told you.
I'm going live.
I'm going live and she just
started it while I was still leaning. This is not a rehearsal, right?
No.
Really?
Yeah. I don't think so. It's rehearsal.
No, it's real.
What?
People like it always
Wait, we
does
should
this
move
on
the
my
plant.
phone. Oh! See,
sorry.
people are here.
We should move the plant.
Why?
Like this thing?
No, it's not
So
because of that. It's just lighting.
Guys,
Guys.
that was fucking insane.
Hands up!
That was fucking insane.
Guys.
I want to tell a story. So, okay, ow.
Oh, sorry.
So, we get slimed, right? We get like attacked by this slime. My dreams came true by getting slimed. I can't even explain. Like, I have been wanting for that to happen since I was a fetus.
Really?
Yes, like that's iconic. Getting slimed is iconic. So it was great. I was having the time of my life. Then we go outside. We have to like take some photos, blah, 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 right? And it starts to get really, really, really cold. And I'm like, oh, this is not so fun.
Yeah, it was
anymore.
really cold. And our green room was outside, like,
Yeah.
Our
like trailers
Trailers.
are outside, right? And so there are
wind.
showers in the trailers, but there's only 3 trailers. So there's only 3 trailers. So we have to like take turns taking the shower. So I'm going after Yunche. Yunche, first of all, is taking her sweet time. You
No!
were taking your
okay.
sweet
Yeah, I know. No,
time.
okay, there's my perspective.
Your perspective is invalid here. I hate you! I hate you! I hate you!
No, my perspective was
It's
I
invalid.
went in there.
Say, hi, I'm Yunche, and my perspective is invalid.
I went in there, and was it? And right after she came in, and she was like, "Yunche, can you be quick?
No,
Can you be quick?
you
Yunche,
were
can
in
come out?"
there for like 10 minutes before I.
No.
Came in.
Oh, maybe that
Oh,
was
yeah.
why you were like. No, I came in right before you.
But I was like, can I come in with you?
You didn't say that.
No, like I was like hoping that you'd be like, just come in.
No, cause I never
Because
like.
I know you don't get down like that.
Yeah, cause I never like.
She doesn't get that.
Yeah, I don't really like exposing my like everything. But
But then we had to.
yeah, we had to.
So
Like at like last
Yeah. Okay, so basically she lets me in, right? And I get in the shower. Yunche is present. So Yunche is just watching me shower.
I was just like
She was just like there. Okay, and we're both like freaking out because we don't know how to like get the slime off. And it like dried up, okay? It dried up and it was like cornstarch. So it was so hard to get off. Also, a fan gave me this. And now I'm wearing it.
What about me?
Yeah, I didn't get a bracelet.
But anyway, and I didn't get a Labubu.
Oh, yeah.
You got it?
I didn't get a
I got a
Labubu.
Labubu.
You did it?
I got a Labubu.
Yeah, see, and I didn't get a
What?
Labubu.
When?
When Laura was awarded.
It's okay. I don't need Labubu.
Yeah, whatever. I don't care about
I want
Labubu.
Yeah, I don't
Smiskies,
care.
guys, and photo
I don't
cards.
care about
No,
Labubu.
I don't care, Smisky.
I like photo cards. And
I don't care.
I
care
don't.
for
I don't
the
need your Labubu.
I don't care
But
about
also,
Labubu.
we're not. We would appreciate letters.
Yes, guys. Megan is okay.
Oh, Megan's
Don't
fine.
worry. Everyone's asking.
Yeah, Megan's all good.
She's
Yeah,
all
Megan's
good.
all
I
good.
think just
She was
when
just really surprised.
we were
She
just
was in shock.
surprised. We
No.
were just shocked.
Yeah, we were all so shocked. No, I'll tell my
Wait.
sorry.
Can I finish just what I was saying?
Just
I'll be really
finish
quick.
really quick.
I don't know. I'm sorry. I take.
Be
so long.
quick!
I'm sorry. I will.
You're
will.
taking too long.
I'm sorry. It's like kind of my issue. So then I get in the shower. We're freaking out. The shower starts to get really, really, really cold. And I'm like, oh, no. And then I'm like, Yunche, you can just come back in the shower. So we end up having to shower together in this trailer.
Also, I'm just learning about the story. Like, I'm listening
Yeah.
to it with you.
No.
We end up having to do this in this
No,
trailer.
I was like, I was, what is it? I was hesitating.
Yeah, she was like,
no,
no. And then I was like, girls, your choice.
No.
Because she was like, I have to get back in.
Yeah.
And I was like, I don't want to get out. Like, I still have
She
all
was,
this shit
she
on
was,
me.
taking a long time.
Yeah, I was taking a minute because, like, I have so much stuff, slime on me. So I'm like, okay, you can come in. Yeah, I know. That's why I was like, get in.
I understand you.
That's why I invited you so kindly.
No.
That's why I extended an invitation.
Yeah.
And then she was
Ended
like,
up-
no.
yeah.
And then I was like, okay, girl, no need. More showers
And I was just
for
like,
me. And then she's like,
sorry.
okay. Did you just hit her?
Gabriella, keep going.
Fuck.
Sorry.
I was like, look at my
Oh, you
claws.
scratched yourself?
I was going like this,
Oh.
about to comb my
Oh
hair
my
back,
gosh, I'm sorry,
and you
I didn't
hit
know
my
that.
my hand, and it
I'm sorry. Nothing, sir.
Okay,
hurt.
I'm going to continue. So
Oh,
then
keep continuing.
Yoon gets in the shower. And now we're like back to back showering, okay? The shower starts, it starts to trickle. And we're like, oh, what's happening? The shower stops. No more water. We are covered in slime, but like also water and like body wash, like nothing, like, you know what I mean? Like everything is like still on us. Our hair is covered in shampoo.
My conditional.
Conditioner. And like our hair is covered in conditioner and slime. And then we're just like, fuck, like what do we do? And then Yoon has a brilliant idea to get water bottles because we had like a big
But
fridge.
from the fridge.
Oh my god,
had-
that's why it was cold.
Yeah, we had a fridge full
freezing.
of water.
It was like
bottles.
iced water.
It was like practically a freezer. But brilliant idea. So then she gives me the water bottles. I end up showering with ice cold water bottles. And yeah, I feel so dirty, but yeah. Like I can't wait to go home and like take the best like everything shower of all time.
Oh, wow.
And it was really gross. There was like slime on the walls. And then I walk into Sophia's trailer. She
Oh my
is
God.
styling her hair
No,
with her Dyson.
she used her like
I had my
own
own
shower.
trailer.
She used
She got lucky.
She brought her own things, okay? She was fully lotioned up. She's like has like a towel. Her hair is like wrapped in a towel. I walk in and I'm like and she's wrapped in this towel. She has like lip gloss on and she's like already in this like beautiful outfit. And then
Like she.
like she looks so hot. Like what the fuck? You look so good. She's in these heels and I look like this.
No, me too. I look like this.
Like, look. Like, what's happening? Like, actually,
I
what
felt
the
like
fuck?
you know that feeling like when you have a beach day and then you have like a shower and you're like getting rid. That's what I felt like.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
I like brought I brought a luggage full of like my own stuff. Like I brought my own shampoo, like my own conditioner, like everything, my own towels. And then I was like wondering why you guys just brought a handbag.
I know.
And I
I'm
was like,
I'm so
guys.
stupid. Like, I should have done that.
And I had 2 more outfits and I kept telling y'all and y'all didn't want to like take it.
No, but I just felt like ill, and I didn't want to. I wasn't feeling like hot to get in like a hot outfit. Like,
Yeah,
just put this,
I
like, this
can't
on.
because my makeup is.
But we
not
ended up
on.
going to the after party.
with this.
And then
Like this.
and then there were like icons who came to take photos. And they were taking photos of me and I looked and you all disappeared.
Yeah, because I could do it, and then I took some photos, and I was like, we irritated.
Yeah, me too. I was like,
like I was like here. But anyways, I just felt like so ill. Like I still feel so slimy. Like look at my socks. Like I had to get socks from like our trailer.
Laura, I'm barefoot.
She's barefoot. So
You want to hear my story?
yeah, now your turn.
Okay,
My kuya is
I'm
not
gonna get on
poggy. I'm the poggy sibling.
Okay, can I share my story?
Yeah.
Adam oh my gosh, I sounded like
They're calling you guys Adam Sandler.
Okay, tell your story.
Okay. I've before we go on stage, I was keep telling you guys. I was like, my gosh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Like, until right before I go on the stage, I was like, I'm so scared.
I'm listening to you.
I'm so scared and I'm so nervous. And, like, I couldn't sleep yesterday because I was so scared. And because of the slime. Like,
Because you were scared?
yeah, because of the slime. Because we did rehearsal, right? Like, 2 days ago on the stage. And I could see the, like, hole on the stage, on the floor.
Oh,
like,
yeah, where the slime comes out.
like 5 holes, and I could see it looked like strong, and I was like, oh, maybe it's not that bad, and I searched YouTube video like how's it looks like.
You did?
Yes, and I saw crazy
She saw the Katy Perry one and she was like, oh shit.
and I was like,
You saw the Katy Perry one? Because
And-
that one was really bad.
yeah, I got so scared after watch that. And I thought it's gonna be less, actually. I was like, maybe it'll be fine, but I'm still scared. And
Ours was pretty crazy.
it was
Also,
crazy.
it went on for so long.
Yeah, here's the thing. We thought that it was gonna come like after when everything's gnarly. Psh.
yes.
But it took like a while to come, so I was like, wait, is it not coming? And that's why it came unexpectedly. And the slime action was going on for so long that I couldn't breathe. Like I was drowning in slime. Like it literally, my face was like there's a thick layer like across this way, like this eye. I couldn't. Did you see me on the face? I was like this.
Yeah, I did.
Because it was in my eye.
No, me too. I
And
was just
then-
like this.
So many of it got in my mouth, and I was like, should I spit? And I couldn't, so I had to swallow.
It got in my mouth.
I
I
swallowed
ate
it.
it.
No, I drank.
Oh my god, guys, Gabriella, isn't it the best song? So good.
Te amo!
Conmigo, conmigo se va.
Just say what to me.
No voy a cambiar. Queda conmigo, conmigo se va. Conmigo se no voy a cambiar. Na, 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 na. Ugh. I hate you!
I hate you. I hate you.
I hate you!
Why is your back arched like that? No!
Can I show her?
No, don't!
Can I show her?
No, because she's not. Don't. Don't do it. I can't. But there's no sound. That was like a really strong. We can't. Are you wearing stockings?
Okay, guys, remember how I told you I got a concussion? I just hit my head in the exact same place where I got my concussion. Guys, do you want to feel it? I still have my bump.
You told them?
Yeah, I just told them that I got a concussion.
Oh wow.
Oh wait.
Girl, how do you think you're...
She's checking your
was like-
temperature. She went, sorry.
They keep hurting each other. Do you feel that? Do you not care? Like, what the hell?
Yes, Megan's okay.
Okay.
It's fine.
She's
I can't-
meditating.
I can't find a hair tie. So whatever Icon gave me this bracelet, thank you so much, because it's now gonna go on my hair.
Wait, is this?
Yes, it's my bump.
Is it really?
What do you think it is? Feel
No,
here?
for mine.
No, feel it's like from here to here. Why would I like lie about that?
No, you're not lying. I know you're.
Did you guys like
got
Big Time
that.
Rush?
So you're
Yes.
invalidating.
I love Big Time Rush.
my
Amazing
gosh.
music.
You know, Laura's been bullying me recently.
Ooh.
I told her that
it develops her thick skin.
No, earlier you were trying to explain like each thing you bully her about.
Yeah, okay, listen.
But we can't say what.
No,
No,
don't say
I
what
would
it is.
never expose that, okay? But listen.
One person bullied, not in the group.
Oh, maybe. Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
We're saying the other person who knows about this thing might one day expose it. And that person's not in Cat's Eye. Think deep and hard.
I'll leave you to
Wait,
it.
no, guys.
No, I'm not
Girl.
gonna say it.
Girl,
Yeah, exactly, girl.
stop.
See, it's not working. It's
It's
not.
oh my god, you
clocking.
almost
No, I
got
know.
a
I know.
concussion.
This is not funny. No.
Well, it's not clocking.
She's Lara had to
It's not
teach
funny.
That I'm
Yunche
standing
that
on
if we
clocks.
make fun of her, she can't like give us a reaction and
Yeah,
show us that she
okay.
hates it, or else we're gonna keep doing it.
Listen, I have been bullied before. And what I've learned and what my mommy always told me. Listen, my mommy always told me that you stop a bully by giving them no reaction. Okay? So I'm trying to teach Yunche how to stop a bully. So I'm kind of like I'm cosplaying.
That's such a mean.
I'm kidding.
Like, what? You're not kidding. She's actually
No,
doing that.
people are actually gonna think that people love to say that I'm a bitch. So can you clarify that I'm not bullying you, please?
Okay.
Please. It's
Such a mean girl.
It's gonna like be a thing. But all in good spirits, am I going to make fun of her? Yeah.
She just keeps saying that. I'm like,
Because there's one thing that's really funny.
Yeah,
And that's the
it's just like
only thing.
It's never stops
no,
being funny.
but
And you do it too. Everybody does it because it's just really funny, and I can't help myself. I'm so sorry, but it's because I love you, and I just can't. help
because you
myself.
love you and I want to bully you.
No,
This
I'm
is not
bullying you.
pre-recorded.
This is not bullying. This is not bullying. This is poking.
This
fun.
is not bullying.
This is poking fun at something that's funny.
Guys, I really
And-
feel the slime like
I
going
know.
down my esophagus.
But I like will try so hard to stop. Okay, but you
She's
have to
not
understand.
gonna-
No, you have to understand that this thing is so funny that it's really hard for me to not make fun of it.
It's okay.
And you also think it's funny because you laugh every time.
yeah, but she like gets mad. She gets upset, but she gets to laugh.
No, but that's the thing. Like
she's laughing.
I keep laughing about that joke.
She's upset because she knows that it's funny.
Yeah, like she can't. She's like shit. Like you guys like are funny, but like yikes for me.
This
but
is like my.
this is the bait of her existence. Speak in Spain.
I'm
Damn.
just kidding. Dude, are you seriously
Girl.
She's trying not to give you a reaction.
Girl.
She grr.
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 Girl.
Twin.
Twin.
Bruh. Inside joke. Bruh.
What's up, twin?
Gangy. My slime.
So you've been new.
You've been.
Okay. Yeah.
I just sniffed my hair. Oh. Tween.
No, actually, Laura is my best friend. Best Onni.
Thank you.
Yeah, she's not bullying.
No, I'm actually such a good
No,
Annie, and
she's
I love
she's
you.
actually a really good Onni. I'm just kidding.
But you know I love you. But I am going to make fun of you. The same way you can do that to me. No, okay, literally, after she was like, Laura, you're such a bully, right? And I was like, this is how you stop a bully. You give me no reaction. Then I'm going to be like, oh, I don't want to do it anymore because she's giving me no reaction. And so I was like, here, let's demonstrate on me. And I was like, you can make fun of me for literally anything. And then I gave her ideas, like things that like are very like make funnable about me. And she just like couldn't, like, you know what I mean? Like I gave you the chance to bully me.
But I'm nice.
Guess that's the difference between us. Guess that's just.
I'm a soothing shell, you know. And you're limitless.
Oh,
key,
look, your soothing shell.
So you don't have limit.
Oh, don't show that.
What's that?
It's just a nail.
Why would you do that?
What?
I literally just showed the shell.
No, that's not
It's a nail.
No, I'm trying to like hide that.
How do I get over my ex?
Oh, okay.
I'm a Capricorn, so like it's not that hard,
Yeah.
right? You get me, right?
I am notorious. Not that I have that, but if I were to, right, I would say
Yeah, she tried to hide. What?
I would say that it's really good to put all of your energy into something else, such as work. And that's what fuels me to move on from someone.
What about you, Yinche? How do you get over an ex? She's never
No,
had
you
one.
can say no comment.
No comment.
Hypothetically.
For my
Wait, what does that say? No? No?
What does it
Not-
say?
no, like I love you so much.
That's not what it said.
Wait, do you know Yunche is like rising and her like fall?
No, because she's never told me the time she was born.
I did!
Did you?
Yunche's
Yeah, I
becoming as
did.
loud as me now.
Yeah, wait. I should calm down.
No, stop. Be loud. Be fun. Be messy.
free.
Beautiful chaos.
To be cringe is to be free.
Be beautifully chaotic.
Yeah, I was too loud. Sorry.
It's fine.
Where's Mano?
I told you, remember? In New York.
Oh, yeah. And then I forgot.
She knows
So
mine.
I'll remember. Sophia is a Capricorn sun, Scorpio rising, Sagittarius moon. I'm also a Sagittarius moon with a Scorpio sun. So that's why I feel like me and Sophia are quite similar, yet polar opposites.
Yeah.
It's
actually,
like we are like polar opposites, but we have like the
we see
same.
each other.
We have like the same mindset. It's like we're the same person in different fonts.
Yeah.
How do I search that?
Oh, you have to
Oh,
download
you
CoStar.
no, you don't. No, you don't. Wait. You have you know what time you were born?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do it for you. Wait.
Did you swallow the slime? I swallowed the slime. Cause I was on stage and I was like, I don't want to like, bleh, in like front of like all the
It
kids.
didn't really taste anything.
It kind of tastes like what it looks like that like rubber like. Because we got to meet Alex Warren, and he said that it tasted like when you lick an envelope, and I understand now.
2007. Summer.
Yeah, you are a wild
What
one.
time?
Whoa.
Ooh,
Ooh.
if I took you home, you'll be home right.
Ooh.
That's how we howlin', growlin', prowlin'. Soul.
Mm-hmm.
What is that? The Chaperone song that like she does those like vocal flips.
You should make a cover of that.
She's been practicing that.
because it's really hard.
Wait, do a cover of that, Sophia.
Yeah, you should.
You would sound so good.
See, I
Okay, this makes so much sense. You are all water.
Oh,
That makes so much
make
sense.
me sweat.
What do you mean I'm all water?
The rest of your chart is all water signs.
Wait, but what is she?
Wait,
she's
no.
Yeah. It's all water
Wait,
signs.
what is her sign
Scorpio,
sign?
Pisces, Cancer. She's a Sagittarius.
Is that
But
water?
then the rest, no, that's fire. And then she has Sagittarius, Mercury, which is also fire. But the rest of your big six is water.
Does it mean that
signs.
it's extinguishing the fire?
No, it's not extinguishing the fire, but it adds a lot of sensitivity, emotion, wisdom, emotional intelligence, and intuition, which is very true to Yunche. You are very like emotionally inclined person.
Your glasses are so reflective.
Like she's so wise, but she's also very like you like feel very deeply. Yeah. And you're good
I
at
feel you.
you're good at like helping other people with their emotions. You're good at like listening. And you're good at being like, "Oh, I feel this way. I should communicate it this way."
Yeah.
You know? Wait,
Checks
can
it. That checks it.
Okay. She's Scorpio moon. You feel very, very, very deeply. This is quite an intense. Scorpio is known to be the most emotionally intense sign of all of the zodiacs. So moon is how you feel emotions. So you feel emotions like the most emotionally intense.
I've been like,
You were telling me about this, remember? Like
What?
earlier or yesterday.
yeah,
like you really
Yeah.
feel.
She was like,
Recently-
she's very like, Yuncha is very mature, she's very wise, she's very level-headed, but she's also very emotional. And she's the type of person where she has a very high emotional intelligence where she feels and is aware of the emotions that she's feeling, but she also knows like the situation, right? And like what needs to happen and all these things. But her emotions, though she knows like both sides, is always like overpowering everything. Like she just can't help
Yeah.
but like feel it heavily,
Yeah,
right?
that checks out.
Checks out.
this is crazy.
It's yeah.
And
Okay.
you don't want to do this?
No, I'm doing the rest.
Do I bore you?
I had to yawn.
Just yawn.
Do you know the
The video where she was like at Wango Tango.
who?
You.
Me? Oh,
You did?
She was, she was like,
I look like that meme. Do you know that meme that's like? Do you know that meme? That's like. Ow! Ow! Ow!
okay. Then your Venus is in Scorpio. So Yunche, you love like a Scorpio.
Oh, so you love Lara?
Extremely intense love. You are possessive when you love someone.
Oh, yeah.
Okay?
Actually, she is.
She is.
She is
When
very
you
much.
like
How do you know
someone.
that?
No, it's just from
I'll tell you
knowing
later.
you, but it's not like you've ever liked someone where I could base that off of. But I just can assume.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wait, so. Oh, wow.
So it's like if you like someone, right? You're like, that person is mine. Don't take them. Hands off, Gabriella.
Hands off, Gabriella.
Cut.
Wow.
You're like, hands off, Gabriella.
That's so funny.
And you get a little bit jealous.
She does.
How do you know that?
I'll tell you later.
What?
You don't want me to say it now?
No.
No, I know because you tell me.
What?
No, she doesn't.
I don't. What do
No,
you
she
mean?
doesn't. She's never done that.
I'm just trying to show them selfies that I'm probably never gonna post.
She's just being weird right now.
She's like making up rumors and stories in her head for fun.
Yeah.
This one, am I right? She's crazy.
She's crazy. Girl!
Girl!
That was rude. That was disrespectful,
That was disrespectful
To my culture.
actually.
Ow! Ow!
I almost showed my face.
I saw this TikTok edit of Jessica Alba and I had to save it. Look at this.
Why are you keep showing?
Look.
Let's talk.
Sorry, I got a FaceTime.
Wait. I think it's
Guys,
on
there's
TikTok.
90,000 people here.
Is
And
that
I
good?
90,000 people are seeing me look like this. Whoa.
She's so cute.
Most beautiful woman ever.
Wait, so that's all?
No, that's not all. Sorry, we got distracted.
Should I make this my wallpaper?
Sorry.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah, I'm so obsessed with Gabriella. I love it so much. I'm so happy about the music video. It looks so good. I just want to say that. Okay, Cancer Mars. I don't want to talk about that one.
What?
I'll tell you about that later.
Ooh. I wonder what.
No, it's not a bad thing. I just don't want to talk about that in front of 90,000 people. Okay? No.
No?
It doesn't work.
Why?
It doesn't-
Okay.
Look at me. Take your glasses off. Look at me. I don't want to talk
Okay.
about
Oh, yeah.
that. So,
Okay, next.
Wait, I can't see the comment.
and you have a Pisces rising.
Mm-hmm.
So Pisces rising is how you present yourself. You present yourself in like a very dreamy, emotionally intuitive, mature way. Very kind, soft, soothing shell, sensitive. Do you see that? There's a ghost. But
Boogly.
come to go. Come to go. But but in a very like
What's your love language?
in a very soothing shell. Basically.
Okay.
It's like
Gentle
like
comfort.
gentle comfort. Like that's your Pisces rising.
Okay.
But I'm gonna go more in depth to this later.
Okay.
When I can like really
Yeah.
There's
That's all.
not a spider behind us, so stop.
Stop.
Lara! Ah!
Oh my god! Oh my god. Are you okay?
I'm so sorry.
You were like one.
What she just did. She just pushed me.
Your head. Your head.
that I was bullying you. And she is the bully. I've been trying to say. No. Okay, I apologize. I apologize.
I almost.
I'm sorry. I hate you.
I'm in like pumps, like heels, so little heels, and I accidentally stepped on her toe and she went ah, and I laughed and I almost showed her grippers and she tried to not.
Grippers.
I almost showed her off to the world. Lara, you actually were like half a centimeter away. Okay, she almost hit me.
That was not
Between
me.
y'all.
Did you see? Wait, okay. Gabriella.
That was actually really funny. Careful, don't expose our location.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go, you take
was
off.
good, so- I'm so good.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna try to. Okay, go.
Is this gonna
go
be
this way.
reported for violence?
Can you make?
Yeah.
This?
But I'm
Wait,
not gonna make
wait.
this
I
sound.
want to do something. Okay, so okay.
I want to do something.
Are you gonna hurt me?
No, not this later. Okay, go. Can you make this sound?
No, she can't. She can't do.
Go.
That. Okay, go. 1.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, I made a shitty like.
Yeah, why would
it
you
was
do
like a
that? No,
flat,
I'll
like-
just do it.
1, 2, 3. Was that
She
good, Sophia?
annoys me.
She annoys me so much more. It's like actually insane. Like you think you annoy me, but you think I annoy you. You would have no idea how much you annoy.
Kiss.
Yeah, I saw it. Yeah, I want to kiss you. I want to kiss you. You're a child.
You guys literally
I
just
don't wanna
showered
kiss
together.
you. Yeah, because she's like my baby.
She's like my baby.
She's like my baby.
Ew.
Okay, I wanna.
That was good.
Wait, I should calm down. Why am I keep?
She's like, why am I being fun?
I know. I'm like.
She was like, I'm being so loud and fun. Like I need to.
Why am I being
No.
funny?
I'm like. I'm being so
down.
like weird right now. Okay.
No, you're not.
She's like shocking herself.
Like, stop trying to aura the icons.
Like just be you.
But you just
No,
that's
She's like being herself. She's like,
No, that one was not me. You know?
Or like
This-
you were trying to be funny.
Yeah, I feel like
Come
I
on,
was
twin.
trying to be funny. Okay.
come on, twin.
Twin. Yeah. Wait. I want to do something. Okay.
What?
If you make like
100K.
if you make like something face like, and you can
Oh, like I talk.
Like the
yeah,
sound. You make the sound.
You make the sound
Oh my god.
after I see my face, and I will repeat.
Can I
again,
just
and-
say something? During Dream Academy, I like did something similar like this in public, and it's like one of my like worst things that I ever did.
Well,
Like
what?
my biggest regrets.
Why? You don't want to do it?
I
so-
did an evil laugh challenge,
Oh.
and it's just like it's just like it's giving this
You
vibe.
did that like.
Yeah,
in
and it's like
public?
one of my in public,
Yeah, she
and I
posted
like
it. She was
posted
like, "This
it.
is on her Google sheet of like TikToks to make."
Yeah, and it's just like one of my
Why
deepest
did you
regrets.
do that?
You're like flapping your arms.
Yeah, I know it was really bad. It was really bad.
So you want to do it?
Hola.
So you don't want to do it?
No.
I'm no longer in the live. Thanks.
Wait, I'm like exposed.
Wait. Yeah, I told
Kissing
you
my-
your glasses are super reflective.
Mi hermana.
No, you're not in this
Yunche.
live.
Mi hermana. Mi hermana Sofia.
What is mi hermana?
My sister.
My sister.
Hola. 1, 2, 3.
What is
flash.
Hermina? Hermina.
Hermana.
Hermana.
Okay.
Show me the heart, please.
Can we speak in Korean?
안녕하세요.
Can we speak in Korean?
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
안녕. 이모. 안녕하세요.
이모입니다. 네. 안녕하세요. 저는
라라.
라라입니다. 저는 라라입니다.
You learned so many words. You should.
아, 네. 아,
뽀뽀 주세요.
뽀뽀 주세요.
바보 주세요.
뽀뽀 주세요, 이 바보.
What is 뽀뽀?
뽀뽀.
뽀뽀. You. 뽀뽀. 싫어요.
싫어요?
싫어요.
왜?
아니야.
그래 왜냐면 나는 베이비니까.
네. 아, 죄송합니다.
Okay, forget about that.
네.
Mask Lara.
This is not masculine.
Oh my gosh, Miss Laura.
This is ugly, Laura.
You're not ugly.
Can you
You're never
stop?
ugly.
Like, actually, it's okay.
No,
No,
got
you're
your
not
brown lip
ugly.
liner on like you can't. Like look, it's cunt.
No one's ugly.
Sophia said cunt. The leader said cunt.
Oh my gosh.
No. Arrest me.
Whoa, whoa, that was a long laugh.
Arrest me, Moscow.
That was a really like your giggle was like really long.
Because
See, Laura, they're saying you're not ugly, Laura.
Believe the icon.
forgive me for finally, okay? Forgive me that you tickled me a little bit.
You just made out with your phone. You know what? When we were on set for Gabriella,
Laura.
윤채 씨.
No, Laura.
아니요.
No, there's...
remember we were on set for Gabriella,
come-
and
come
I had
closer.
to kiss the mannequin, and they didn't put any of it in the music video. And you guys had to help me.
Did you see what she just did?
Yeah,
Okay,
I
what
chose
were
to
you
ignore it.
saying?
I'm trying not to give her a reaction.
Okay, what did you
Why? Just give me a reaction. No, you know what? I told
Honey,
Sophia
the adults
yesterday.
are talking.
Her ears are turning red.
Oh my god!
Yeah, Kalaiko should see that.
They didn't see it was behind. They didn't
Oh
see
my
it, capture it. No one's gonna believe you. It's invalid.
No one's gonna believe you.
Let's have a talk, Laura. Come. Laura, 언니? Come.
Why 윤채 동생?
Come.
Stop!
She got scared.
Why'd you get scared?
She thought you were being serious.
I was scared.
Stop!
It doesn't hit the face.
I know you
can't
planned
stop
that.
laughing.
She had to plan it, and then she
She was like letting it
was like,
go.
Wait. I'll be mad.
Like,
okay?
how you gonna take me seriously when my hair looks like this?
No. That's Laura.
Ew.
What?
짜증나.
Laura.
너무 짜증나.
진짜 짜증나.
죄송합니다. Now.
You should go to the corner.
Apologize to me now.
She keeps trying to grab the camera.
Apologize to me now. Go.
Go. That's for 103,000. Oh, 110,000 people. You have to give Lara a kiss on the cheek.
No.
No.
How? He elbowed me.
Hi, icons.
Oh, you didn't. Okay.
I don't have money.
Did you hear what I said? You didn't hear me.
I just did that.
I know. That's what I'm saying back.
Lara's sexy as fuck Korean accent.
Oh. Okay. Can you give me something really sexy to say?
Wait, can you not lean on me?
No, because you're filming yourself.
You hogged the camera the whole time. You didn't let me shine at all.
You talk. Wait, Sophia, you talk to them.
I can't be seen. I can't. Not in the center.
No, that's why I said here. You should have come here.
I'm in a skirt.
Wait, okay, you talk to them.
Oh.
You tell me something sexy to say in Korean.
Okay,
Like, whisper it.
Where are
Talk
my
to them.
wives?
oh,
Yes, 'twas me in the end of Gabriella. And did you hear that? That went really low, right? I didn't expect it to go there.
She kept ripping, running away.
Yeah, and then like it hit the ground. Like shit. Did you all get that? I've never.
You don't know what else to say.
yeah. I don't.
안녕하세요. 뽀뽀 주세요.
나는 바보입니다.
나는
나는
wait 나는 바보입니다.
바보입니다.
No, you're saying I'm stupid. I know. I understand Korean.
No, that's the different word. There's that too.
You're
바보.
telling me to say 바보입니다, like stupid. I am.
No,
I am
there's
stupid.
No, there's a two word different kind of 바보. One 바보, first 바보 is like cute, like I'm like pretty person, and second one is
Yeah,
like,
they're all telling me to not say it.
you don't know.
Why are you yelling at the icons?
Sexy, cute, innocent.
Sexy, cute, and innocent. That didn't look correct.
Really?
Why?
Showed it. It didn't look very nice.
It's okay.
It looked like you guys were fighting.
Exactly.
And you need to show that you love each
that
other.
we were.
The curls on the side.
It's giving George Washington.
What do you have on my man George?
I look like a founding father with that hair.
Yeah, that was crazy. I'm not wearing any makeup right now,
We're gonna
except
say
for my
something
lip.
else.
But look at that skin.
Oh wow, you look so good. I want to expose your.
You can do it. I don't care.
You want
No,
also expose
no.
yours? Again? You want to see Lahar's feet?
No, don't show her.
I'm not going to show them. You gotta give me money for that.
Can I show them something really cool?
Okay, ready? Wait, practice
Wait,
first.
just
Practice
do
first.
this.
Wait, be careful.
okay.
Just
This
do
way.
this.
If I mess up, then it's fine.
Okay, they can see you right now. Oh, I heard a pop. I heard a pop.
Minus aura.
Okay,
Wait.
take my cry.
Me too.
A cold heart.
Wait.
Yes.
Now, look at this.
Yes.
Watch this.
Careful now. Careful now. Oh, your dogs, Laura! Your dogs are out! No, not those dogs.
Can we do something? Hold on. This is cool. No, Sophia.
Okay.
Go back. It's like when you're like a little kid and like you're showing your parents the performance you made.
Okay.
Like I know you did that.
Okay, go. I did.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay, I think we're done.
Now let me do a split to show them that I can so we get you straight. Show me.
She's doing splits in front of me.
Show her splits.
Oh, she's done already. Wait, again.
I can actually. Sophia can do this too, and she's wearing a different outfit.
If I'm...
We both are very flexible, like this way,
So we can do this,
and then we can roll over.
and then can you do a little, book,
Oh what?
a little like, boop.
Oh,
like
like
a little like, boop. Yeah.
Wait.
Can I try split?
Yeah.
Cause I'm really good at that
Sophia
too.
can push my legs over.
Go really slow.
Oh, wait.
I hope I don't show you my cat's eye.
Ow! Yes, point, Laura, point. Yes.
Great job, sweetie.
I'm jealous now.
She flipped the camera, like she's hogging the camera
You did
again.
good, sweetie.
Wait, we can't see any of the comments.
Can I show split?
Yeah. Wait, careful.
Stop. No, I'm really good at it.
Okay. Okay, go.
Go. Okay, wait. Love me once, I know you love me twice. Love me once, a time around and do it.
Oh wait,
Not yet.
was that your gimmick?
Was that it?
No,
She was like,
Are you gonna show something cool?
Okay. I have to warm up first. You know, heat warm up is really
emotional.
no. Really important.
Oh my god, Yuche, what you're doing is so cool. Show
You're
them.
not showing me, right?
No, we're showing you.
We're showing you. Go. I showed them you warming
Your
up.
accent came out.
I know.
Your Indian accent came out.
Okay, go.
Wait. Are you showing it?
Go! It's
I'm
already
showing you.
It's at you, I swear.
Girl, can you just do it?
I'm serious.
Go.
See? Oh, you don't believe us.
Yeah. Love me once, I know you love. Is that what you're gonna do?
Love me.
Wait.
Go! You Jay, it's literally
Wait.
the only.
Okay.
Okay.
I didn't get it.
5, 6, 7, 8. Love me once, I know you love me twice. Love me once, it's time to turn the dice.
Did you see that?
Wow.
That was so
Let's go back.
I want to try it.
Oh, you want to try? Okay.
Wait. Do what?
Do we want to do it twice? Love me once, it's time to roll the dice, da 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 dice. Dung 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 dung. La 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 la. Dung 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 dung. La 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 la. Love me once, another run by. La da 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 da.
It was la la
La la la la da 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 da. They keep coming back. Love me once and love me, pa